I think people like bungee jumping because of the adrenaline rush.
I'm gonna doing a bungee jump and I'm sitting here and waiting. I'm feeling quite scary as it's very high. I've never jumped before.
The feeling scary is the best part about it.
Yes.
I think this is really amazing to jump over 50 meters around. I was born in 1985 and I am really young to die.
If you stand up there in this height, 50 meters to the ground, and it's an amazing feeling if you stay there and you just let you fall over, and yeah, that's it.
You are so scared if you're standing up there that high, and then you just say, okay, let's do it, and awesome.
It's really amazing to jump over 50 feet of ground. You see all the tents over the field. Every people enjoy this shit. It's amazing.
I would definitely do it again.
You have to try it. You have to do it yourself to imagine how it is. It's really great.